Hey y'all, welcome back to Critter Chronicles. Today, we're heading into the wide-open skies of the American West to meet one of the most breathtaking birds out there, the mountain bluebird, a true sky dancer with feathers as blue as the summer sky. The mountain bluebird is honestly one of the most magical birds you'll ever see. With its electric blue feathers and graceful flight, it looks like a little piece of the sky come to life. These birds are native to the open spaces of western North America, from the prairies of Montana to the high deserts of Nevada, and they're actually the state bird of Idaho and Nevada, which is pretty cool. Now, let's talk about how they look. Males are this stunning, bright turquoise blue all over, with a lighter belly and a sleek thin bill. Females are more subtle, with soft gray tones and hints of blue on their wings and tail. They're both beautiful in their own way, and when you see them flying together, it's like watching a watercolor painting in motion. Mountain bluebirds are small thrushes, about 7 inches long, and they weigh less than an ounce. But don't let their size fool you, they're tough little travelers. These birds are migratory, meaning they fly thousands of miles every year. In the summer, they breed in places like Alaska and western Canada, and in the winter, they head south to Mexico and the southwestern U.S. Their song is soft and warbly, and their call is a thin phew. It's not super loud, but it's sweet and peaceful, like a whisper from the wild. When it comes to nesting, mountain bluebirds are cavity nesters. That means they build their nests in holes in trees or in nest boxes. They're super helpful to have around because they eat tons of insects, like grasshoppers, beetles, and spiders, which helps keep the ecosystem balanced. They'll also snack on berries and small fruits when bugs are harder to find. One of the most heartwarming things about these birds is how devoted they are to their families. The female lays 4 to 6 pale blue eggs, and both parents help feed the chicks once they hatch. You'll often see them perched on fence posts or wires, scanning the ground for food or keeping watch over their nest. But here's the thing, climate change and habitat loss are starting to affect their numbers. As open spaces disappear and weather patterns shift, it's getting harder for mountain bluebirds to find safe places to nest and feed. That's why conservation efforts and nest box programs are so important. Watching a mountain bluebird in flight is honestly unforgettable. The way its wings catch the light, the way it glides over golden fields, it's pure poetry. For bird lovers, nature photographers, and anyone who just loves the outdoors, this bird is a symbol of freedom, resilience, and wild beauty. Thanks so much for joining us here on Critter Chronicles. If you loved learning about the mountain bluebird, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning bird documentaries and wild nature stories. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky and your heart in the wild.